koutou, ko taupiri i te maunga, ko waikato te awa, ko tainui tōku waka, ko tainui tōku iwi. Te awa marahi rawa ko te kaharoa tōku marae, Ngāti Pau, Ngāti Amaru me Ngāti Māhanga oku hapu. Ko Waikato Tūturu, Waikato Tani Wharau, ko Kataraena hira tōku inga, ko Pau Hāpai, whānau ora, taku tūranga mahi. My te reo Māori journey started from a young age. I was raised by my nanny and my koro, and they spoke it every day. It was part of our life. It was what was a norm for us, and it was taonga. It was sung through waiata, and a lot of narratives in terms of our tikanga and whakapapa, where we come from, all stem through the reo from my upbringing. Learning te reo Māori gives me validation. It gives me a deep validation of being unapologetically Māori. It allows me to be able to fulfill the aspirations of my tupuna and pass it down to my tamariki and my mokopuna. Ake reminds me of ihu mātou when we were fighting kia whawhai tonu mātou. So it's no longer a dying language, it's alive. So it means, to me, ake means to fight the good fight, and our language will never ever die again. Tōku reo toku oho, tōku reo toku māpihi maurea. My language is my awakening, my language is the window to my soul. Nō reira, tēnā koutou.